ache. Verb. Intransitive. Verb forms. Present simple. I, you, we, they ache. He, she, it aches. Past simple. Ached. Past participle. Ached. ing form. Aching. 1. To feel a continuous pain that is not severe. Synonym. Hurt. Examples. I'm aching all over. Ache from something. Her eyes ached from lack of sleep. Figurative. It makes my heart ache. It makes me sad to see her suffer. Synonyms. Hurt, ache, burn, sting, tingle, itch, throb. These are all words that can be used when part of your body feels painful. Hurt. Of part of your body, to feel painful. Of an action, to cause pain. Examples. My feet hurt. Ouch. That hurt. Ache. To feel a continuous pain that is not severe. Example. I'm aching all over. Burn. Of part of your body, to feel very hot and painful. Example. Our eyes were burning from the chemicals in the air. Sting. To make somebody feel a sharp burning pain or uncomfortable feeling in part of their body. Of part of your body, to feel this pain. Example. My eyes were stinging from the smoke. Tingle. Of part of your body, to feel as if a lot of small sharp points are pushing into the skin there. Example. The cold air made her face tingle. Itch. To have an uncomfortable feeling on your skin that makes you want to scratch. To make your skin feel like this. Examples. I itch all over. Does the rash itch? Throb. Of part of your body, to feel pain as a series of regular beats. Example. His head throbbed painfully. Patterns. Your eyes hurt, ache, burn, sting, itch. Your skin hurts, burns, stings, tingles, itches. Your flesh hurts, burns, stings, tingles. Your head hurts, aches, throbs. Your stomach hurts, aches. To really hurt, ache, burn, sting, tingle, itch, throb. To hurt, ache, sting, itch badly, a lot. It hurts, stings, tingles, itches. 2. Formal, to have a strong desire for somebody, something or to do something. Synonym. Long. Ache for somebody, something. Example. I was aching for home. Ache to do something. Example. He ached to see her.